gonna get a little weird, gonna get a little wild. I ain't from round here, I'm from another dimension. Gonna get a little weird, gonna have a good time. I ain't from round here, I'm from another. Yeah! I'm talking rainbows, I'm talking puppies. It's gonna get a little weird, gonna get a little wild. I ain't from round here, I'm from another dimension.
That would be a great idea, if I cared. Oh! Larry!
Oh boy, I am such a Larry.
Totally.
You're watching an all-day marathon of U's. Get comfy.
Done.
Oh, man. I missed Earth TV. Today's gonna be perfect.
Star, is this yours? I found it in the back of the freezer for some reason.
Oh my gosh, I was wondering where this went. Marco, look, my frozen swimsuit.
Cool.
You know, it might be easier to find next time if you put it in your closet instead of the freezer.
Oh, Mrs. Diaz. No, my closet is for secrets, not swimsuits.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, honey, look! It's Mariposa's first breakfast quiche. I've been documenting your cuteness with this trendy instant camera.
Instant camera? Wait just a minute. Swimsuit. Instant camera. A new speech ball that's in the corner. Ow! I know what we're gonna do today.
Are we not watching a marathon?
Look, all the signs are here. My bathing suit, the instant camera, and the final piece de resistance.
The photo from the future that Father Time gave you?
Don't you see? You have a zit on the tip of your nose.
So,
that zit is exactly the same as the one in the beach day photo.
Oh.
Ever since Father Time gave me this future photo, I've been dreaming of the day it would happen. And that day is a today.
All right, sure. Maybe it is beach day.
Oh, you bet your booty it's beach day. As soon as my swimsuit is done defrosting, we are going to the beach and we're gonna have the best day of our lives. Oh boy. Can't wait for this beach day.
Yeah, at the rate we're going, we might get there before sunset.
Excuse me, what's taking so long?
There's a spill up ahead.
Come on, Goat. Get back in the truck.
Oh no, there's like 20 goats out there. We're gonna be here all day.
Star, if I cover up my zit with makeup, would the zit in the photo disappear? Or would I just be unable to conceal it no matter how hard I try? How much of my life would be affected by what I choose to do to my zit? Do I have free will?
Marco, you are stressing me out. You know what? I'm just gonna move this along. Super Sparkle Carfly Wings!
Flying cars make me sick.
But it's totally worth it for beach day! How's that for a shortcut, Mr. Driver Man?
Put my car down.
What was that?
I said put my car down!
Now what?
Don't worry, Marco. I got this. Summoning Sparkle Cloudy Charm! Oh, hey there, Star! Cloudy to the beach!
Maybe we should have just done this from the start.